Exclusive learning experiences create a feeling of importance for customers. So, we're glad to announce the inclusion of private courses and manual access management in your communities. Let's check how this update works. Admins can grant access to any course in the community or revoke course access when needed. Private courses are accessible only when an admin grants access and cannot be unlocked automatically. Once you've created a private course, you'll want to add users to it, so let's learn how to do it. In the Members tab of your community, click the three-dot icon next to the desired contact, then select Manage Courses. To add a course, click the Grant Courses button. Check the box next to the desired course, then click Grant. To remove a course, click the red X next to it. Access cannot be revoked if the member already meets the existing unlock criteria. Member-specific course access in communities gives you full control over access, making it easier to reward members, onboard users faster, and create truly exclusive learning experiences. We hope you enjoy it.